Okay, hello YouTube and Facebook. Here we are at a carpet stretch. You can see the ripples in the carpet all the way along, and we're just going to stretch this room and show you the results. There's another one right there by my tools. Okay, here we are halfway through stretching the room. I have stretched the room that you can see in the camera, or stretched that part of the room. And as I zoom into it, you can see how much was stretched. I've actually stretched it and hid in the baseboard, which I measured as 2 1/4 inches. So I've actually stretched 2 1/4 inches out this room. I'm just going to turn around and stretch this end now, which is just sitting on top of the baseboard because I had to pull it up from the tack strip, and we'll continue to stretch down that way. Show you more in a minute. Okay, the carpet has been stretched now. This is the length way, and you can see the baseboard on top of that. So I was only able to get about 1 3/4 inches out of the length of the carpet. This is the proper tool for carpet stretching that you see here, the power stretcher. It's what allows us to get so much stretch, which is the proper tool. So it's the proper amount of stretch all the way along the length of the room that you can see. And if I come all the way back, this tool, which is called the knee kicker, was designed solely to be an assist tool to the power stretcher and not the sole stretching tool. This is why carpets get ripples, because this tool is used during installation. Anyway, I'll trim it and show you a little bit more. Okay, here we are on the last step. I've already trimmed all the way into that corner, and I'm on my way to that corner. So just trimming the extra carpet, and you can see how much there is. So we'll finish off and show you how much carpet we took off. Okay, stretching has been completed. You can see that all the ripples are gone. Certainly from that side of the room, the carpet has been trimmed. All the ripples are gone from this end of the room, and you can see the amount of extra carpet that we have. Okay, this job is completed. We move on to the next. Thank you for watching.